Wallara Online is giving away 500 hours of free online classes to help Victorians with a disability get through this latest COVID lockdown. It's been exciting to see how our online programs are helping people to connect with friends, learn new skills and achieve great outcomes. Here's a great example. After joining our online makeup class, Phoebe was so inspired, she grabbed her mum and created her own makeup tutorial. Check it out.
Here is Phoebe's makeup instruction video. First of all, we take the big brush and we contour. Here on your cheeks, here, and then here. That's it. And then up here on your forehead, a little bit on the side. Perfect. When we're done with contouring, we pick up a smaller brush and we dip it here in the blush, gently, okay? And then we just do the apples of our cheeks, just there. One there, one there. That's it. Go around a little bit. Hang on, you've got to take your glasses off. Otherwise, that's it. Just up here, up here, up near your eyes. That's it. Just there. Good. And go around and around a bit because you've got to get the colour on there. Nice, nice. And then when we're done that, we can dip in here gently, and then we do our eyes, our eyelids. That's it. Eyelid one. Not eyebrow, eyelid. Across your eye, just a sweeping motion across the eye. That's it, a sweeping motion. And then we take this small brush and then we do just along our eyelash line just to provide some definition. Okay, we've got our makeup case, just some definition. And the other side? Perfect. And are you done? What do you need now? And you need some lipstick. Oh, this is highlighter. So you grab that and you put a little bit on your finger and you put it just up here on your cheekbones up high. Just highlighter. That's it. And then, just to finish off, we need to do a strong lip. That's a bit more highlighter. Ready for this one? Here we go. No. Ready? Here we go for the nice strong lip. There we go, the strong lip. There we go. 1, 2. Smooch them together. Do a bit of smooching. Smooch. That's it. And then we just blot. We just blot. That's it. And girls, that's how you do it. That is how you make a beautiful face.
If you have NDIS funding and are over the age of 18, we invite you to join one of our free online classes. It's an incredible opportunity to connect with friends and like-minded people, all from the safety of your own home. To join our online class, simply email online@wallara.com.au or call 0435 139 674.